Hi, and welcome to Anne Marie's Workshop. My name is Anne Marie, and I love to make things with joy. And if you like that sort of thing, you have found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is my hashtag Friday Sews video for, I believe this is August 2nd. August 2nd today. Wow, it's almost Christmas. No, I didn't mean to trigger anybody. I was just joking. I still getting a few things have shown up for Christmas for my shopping. But this video, though, chronicles what I've been up to this week. Now, as some of you may know, I started my hashtag Sew Reversal 2024. I've been checking my videos. I keep on saying other years, but it's this year. And so this week was spent working on a few reversible garments, putting things together, making all the kind of press things that you do for your when you do a challenge. And so that's what I've been up to this week. First things first, if you are inspired to run your own challenge, I have a video for that over here. So you might want to look at that to see all I did last year to prepare for my first reversible challenge. Let's see. Let me pan the room and show you a few of the things I've been making. These are some of the things we will get into. This is a remake of a duster that I made last year. I sent it to my daughter-in-law, but I missed it. I had some other things, and who doesn't like koi fish? You've seen this item, and this is a two-piece peplum outfit. And a few other things I've made, but I also found this kind of sheer stretch fabric, which goes with another fabric I bought last week. It looks like it's a good match to go underneath it. Let me show you what it was. This is the fabric I bought last week, and they didn't put them together, but I think they work together, either as a layered piece, a reversible piece. I have something in mind. Well, I'm afraid that's all I have to share with you this Friday. Everything else is top secret. 30 days of content, lots of stuff to share with you for my challenge. Make whatever you like, as long as it's reversible. Tag me on Instagram at Anne Marie's Workshop. Also, make sure you include hashtag Sew Reversible 2024. All right, we will see you next Friday. We'll have lots to talk about then. All right, take care.